Hello, hi everyone. I'm Chaithanya. I work at Bank of America. Today I would like to give a brief about my best friend Sandeep Sardi, who is running a YouTube channel only for the educational purposes. So, and it is at the free of cost, right? That's very important. Uh, he actually out of after the college he has pursued the profession as teaching, right? And from there on he has contributed to a lot of YouTube videos, and he has run his own YouTube channel, and which has got 6 lakh, more than 6 lakhs subscribers, 6 lakh 50,000 to be exact. And he has uploaded 1250 technical videos, and it has a very broad range of technologies from C++, from the very basics, right? And data structures and algorithms, Java, Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, computer networks, computers related, hardware related, and whatnot, design and analysis of algorithms, right? Data structures and algorithms, which is very some people feel very complicated, right? It has a lot of complexity in terms of learning stacks, queues, right? Linked lists, graphs, trees, etc., etc. So all these things he explains the concepts, and also he gives an example, and what are the important things that you need to remember, right? The way he explains it, you feel like it is almost, you need not actually feel difficult to remember, because as you just listen, it automatically gets into your subconscious brain, right? So whenever somebody asks you something, you'll be able to easily tell what it is, the concept very crystal clear, and also you'll be able to explain with examples also at your own memory. So this is about he a lot of students have actually already benefited out of this one. And when the COVID happened, right? So a lot of people couldn't go to colleges, and they couldn't get their subjects covered in time, right? And these kind of educational channels were very helpful, and I cannot stress the importance. And those who are actually watching this video, they know how much they have benefited. And so what I would like to say is just to go through this channel, okay? And lot of technical information is there, and those who are actually in the engineering, or who wanted to improve their professional skills, be it a programming side or from the conceptual wise on the computer science field, right? So just go through his channel and support his channel, and it gives a lot of encouragement for him to do the more and more videos on the upcoming technologies, right? And he is still willing to learn a lot of new technologies, even though he has not actually studied. He himself study online, and then he will deliver them with much more clear understandable manner. He will explain it very well, because being from a teaching profession, so he explains the concepts very well, and a lot of people have already benefited out of it. And those who have already benefited, it's now your turn to pass it on to your juniors, right? So just just give more popularity to this channel. And he recently got a YouTube influencer award as well, right? So with 6 lakh 50,000 subscribers, so it's not a joke, right? So only when there is a serious content in the channel, then only people will come here and see it, isn't it? So with a lot of engineering colleges now having a less faculty, right? There are so many faculty problems and all, so you won't get all the subjects covered, one or the other, right? So try to just to see where you can actually get benefited out of his YouTube channel, and try to listen to those concepts and clear all of the your doubts and everything. And then you can you'll be good at whatever you are actually learning, right? So, and this is provided free of cost, right? That is very much very important, because a lot of channels do charge for these kind of things, right? And he is giving it for free out of his own interest, right? and make best use of this channel, and also just pass that information whoever has got benefited to your juniors, and then get this channel more popular, and get us more subscribers. So we are soon looking to touch the 1 million mark. Yeah, so yeah, and wish you all the best, Sandeep Saradi.